Okay, hello everyone. Good morning and good afternoon and good evening and good night. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Saiful Anam. I am a UPN veteran is Java student with NPM uh, 23013010069. Today, I will explain about will and be going to. Okay, what is will and be going to? Have you ever wondered about the difference? Now, the word will and be going to are word for the future. If this sentence is translated into Indonesian, the meaning is will, but actually this sentence has a different meaning. Okay, I will explain the differences in the next slide. Okay, before going to the material about will and be going to, I will first explain about simple future tense. Nah, simple future tenses from form that are used to express action or event that will occur completely in the future. Okay, next. Basically, the word will and be going to are sentences used for the future. Example of the word will are used in the following condition. Example number one, will is used to express a spontaneous desire or quick decision. Example, I am hungry. I will have fried rice. Well, here what's happened is I'm hungry. So, a quick decision is needed in this situation. So, the next sentence use will. Namely, I will have fried rice. Example number two, will is used to profit profit prediction of personal opinion in an event. Example, I think Indonesia will win the World Cup next year. Well, uh, this sentence start with the word I think, which means this is my personal opinion. And the next sentence Indonesia will next year because there is no strong evidence that Indonesia can win the World Cup. So the sentence used is will. Okay. Example number three. Example number three. Status of fakta that will occur in the future. Example, the sun will rise tomorrow. So, of course, every day the sun will rise. So, the sentence use the word will. Lalu, then differences be going to sentence. Example number one, used to express a plan that has been prepared previously. Example, we are going to go to Jakarta next week. Example number two, be going to is used when giving prediction according to current facts. Example, the sky is getting darker. It's going to rain. Next materi, regarding the writing pattern of the word will and be going to using subject plus will plus verb one plus object or complement. Remember, in the future tense, the verb used is the first form of the verb or verb one. Uh, for example, I will buy some books. Main will, the use of be going to, the sentence pattern is subject plus be going to plus verb one plus object or complement. Remember the use of to be in the simple present tense depend on the subject. If the subject is I, then to be is I am. If the subject is he, she, it, then the use of to be is, whereas if the use is you, they, we, then the use are. For example, I am going to buy some books. Okay, just information. In the English, there are informal and formal sentences. Nah, informal sentences are sentences that we use every day or in daily conversation, while formal sentences are those that are generally used in academic life. Next slide. The informal sentences, we can use the sentences will and be going to, but the difference is that will is used for unplanned event or activities, while be going to is used for something that has been planned. For example, you and your friend are walking and you say, I am going to buy some roses. Well, this is a planned event because your friend already has plans to buy some roses. Then the sentence use be going to, and then you respond by saying, yes, it is beautiful. I will buy it too. Yeah. Now, for this sentence, we use the sentence will because this is something that was not planned. So, for formal sentences, we use the word will and be going to. Okay. Uh, Next slide. Whereas for formal sentences, we can only use the word will, whether it is something that has been planned or has been it or has not been planned. But if it is in formal situation, then we have to use the word will. For example, the class will begin at 7 a.m. Okay. Uh, Next, in more detail, now let's look at the differences again. As explained previously, the word be going to is used for something that has a planning. For example, I am going to call him tunic, while will is used for something that is not planned in advance. Example, I will call him no. Example number two, the next difference is that the word be going to are usually used for something that is definitely going to be done. For example, I am going to make a cake tomorrow, while will is used for something that hasn't been done yet. Uh, Example, I will probably make a cake tomorrow. Example number three, the next difference is that the word be going to is used when something has been decided beforehand or has been planned. Example, I am going to buy that car, while the word will is used when you have just decided. Example, I will buy that car no now. Well, even though there are differences in the use of the word be going to and will, there also there is, namely to show prediction. So, if the sentence is made made to show prediction, then we can use be going to or will. Now, example, the weather channel informs that it is going to rain tomorrow. Then if we use the word will, then the example is the weather channel informs that it will rain tomorrow. Okay, guys, thank you.